Hello and welcome to the channel. This is me, RhythmSah. Today we are talking about Pi, the 2B cryptocurrency. Now this video is divided into these parts. What is Pi? Is Pi legitimate? Pi uses in Nepal. So this part would be in Nepali. So all my international viewers can skip this part if you don't understand Nepali. The message is specifically for my Nepali audience. Now, then after that we'll be talking about Bitcoin versus Pi, and then we'll move towards the conclusion and my take on Pi. So you can skip to any of these parts if you like. And I'm really sorry, I'm using my earphone mic as my primary mic today because my mic is not working. So what is Pi? I went to their site, went through their whole white paper. Now Pi is a cryptocurrency to be. So at the moment it's in its second phase where it is building a community and minting the coins, securing the blockchains. In the third phase, it plans to go live with the currency where it can be exchanged into other currencies used to buy and sell goods. Now the value is at $0, but similar to Bitcoin, it's estimated to increase with time. Now, Pi is not governed by any central body, and its trust and value depends on the users using it. It depends on the whole community. So it can be the next big thing according to different experts, and Pi aims to work as the digital currency for everybody around the world. As the world is going digital, it demands for something, a digital currency. And since bitcoins are limited and are very hard to use, so that's where Pi comes in, and it's a first cryptocurrency to be mined in a mobile phone. So it has made it very simple. The whole cryptocurrency, anyone can use that if they have a mobile device. So the second question comes in mind: is Pi legitimate? So while going through the white paper, yes, it is legitimate. They have a very good plan, and now everything depends on the execution. Till this phase two, they have been doing really great. Looking at the performance, looking at the community growing, they have been growing substantially, and yes, it can be the next big thing. So if you can, it's just about downloading the application and supporting the community. But the thing comes here on the third phase: how they will implement the plan of going live with the currency, of exchanging it, and how they plan, like according to their plan, if they can grow the value of Pi with time or not. And it depends, everything depends on the whole community, not just the developers. So that's something we need to keep in mind while using Pi. So uses of Pi in Nepal. So नेपालको कन्टेक्स्टमा कुरा गर्दाखेरि चाहिँ एनी काइन्ड अफ क्रिप्टो करेन्सी, चाहे त्यो बिटकोइन होस् चाहे त्यो पाई होस्, इल्लिगल हो. नाउ द थिङ इज, पाई अहिले आफ्नो सेकेन्ड फेजमा छ जहाँनिर इट्स जस्ट माइनिङ एन्ड मिन्टिङ. सो अहिले यो लाइभ गइसकेको छैन, यो कुनै पनि करेन्सी एक्सचेन्जमा अभाइलेबल छैन, यो कुनै पनि ट्रान्जेक्सनमा युज हुन सक्दैन. सो यो कस्तो हो भने पब्जीमा कमाएको गेम कोइन्स अथवा अरू कुनै पनि गेममा कमाएको रिसोर्स जस्तो हो एट दिस मोमेन्ट. तर यो थर्ड फेजमा जाँदा जाँदा के हुन्छ भने इट विल बी अभाइलेबल अन डिफ्रेन्ट एक्सचेन्जिङ प्लेटफर्म्स, होइन, करेन्सी एक्सचेन्ज गर्नको लागि कनेक्ट गर्न सकिन्छ आफ्नो पाई एकाउन्टलाई. त्यसपछि इट क्यान बी युज फर डिफ्रेन्ट ट्रान्जेक्सन्स अन डिफ्रेन्ट वेबसाइट्स एन्ड थिङ्स. सो त्यसपछि पाई विल बी अ फर्मल क्रिप्टो करेन्सी र त्यसको भ्याल्यु हुन्छ, त्यसलाई एक्सचेन्ज गर्न मिल्छ, त्यसलाई युज गर्न मिल्छ. त्यसपछि युजिङ अर माइनिङ पाई इन नेपाल इज एक्सट्रिमली इलिगल एन्ड अ पनिसेबल अफेन्स. त्यसको लागि तपाईँलाई जेल जानुपर्छ, सिधै भन्नु पर्दाखेरि. सो अहिले एक्सप्लोर गर्दाखेरि पाई हेज नट कम लाइभ, त्यसैले देयर इज नट बिग अफ अ बज इन द गभर्मेन्ट. तर वन्स इट कम्स लाइभ एन्ड वन्स इट रिचेस इट्स थर्ड फेज वेयर इट क्यान बी युज, त्यतिखेर इट्स इलिगल. एन्ड स्टिल एनी काइन्ड अफ बिटकोइन, कसैले सोच्दैछ अबाउट युजिङ any kind of like bitcoin and pi in future in Nepal भने अहिलेको कन्टेक्स्टमा इट्स कम्प्लिटली इलिगल. त्यसैले पाईमा अहिले इन्भेस्ट गरिरहनु भएको सबैजनालाई चाहिँ यो कुरा चाहिँ एकदम कन्सिडर गर्नु होला, बिकज यो छिटै नै थर्ड फेजमा जाँदैछ. एन्ड त्यसपछि त्यो माइन गरेको पाइ पनि काम लाग्दैन एन्ड पछि माइन गर्न पनि पाइँदैन एन्ड तपाईँले युज पनि गर्न पाउनु हुँदैन बिकज इट इज इलिगल. So now comes the part pi versus Bitcoin. So talking about Bitcoin, there are only 21 million Bitcoins at the moment circulating among 7.5 billion people. So basically that makes it digital gold. Now talking about pi, it plans to inject more pi according to the numbers of user increasing. So that means abundant supply for everybody as it plans to be a digital currency that everybody can use and it's accessible by everyone. So to mine Bitcoin, you need a fair bit of facility and it's not user friendly and environment friendly. But talking about Pi, it has different nodes that your phone will connect to and you can mine very simply. So it has a mobile first policy and it is the first cryptocurrency that can be mined on your mobile device. So that makes it highly accessible and easy to use. So Bitcoin's value is fairly high because it's a digital gold, as there are only 21 million Bitcoins circulating in the market at this moment. But as Pi is just starting, it will accumulate value with time, and its value will be decided by the community, by the users. Uh, to secure all the transactions, to legitimacy of transactions in Bitcoin, you need to burn resources, money, and everything. But in Pi, it uses open ledger, so anybody can edit that ledger, and it uses the trust graph of the network to to justify the legitimacy of any kind of transaction. Now in phase 3 they plan to do a fair bit of research and exclude all the fake users and only go to the third phase with the real users to ensure the security of the network. What's my take on Pi? So Pi has fair bit of potential. It has a great community developing. According to their white paper, they have a very good plan in place, and the execution is really, really well done till now. Now it would be exciting to see how phase 3 works and how the value of Pi will increase with time and how users will react to everything. Talking about in Nepal, it will be illegal once it is available for exchange and transactions. So there is no point in mining. So if you are outside of Nepal and if you want to download Pi, just go in the links and you'll find a link to download Pi, and you'll require a code to log in. So you can use this code over here and explore the app, use it, and join the community because there is no harm in joining the community, as it can be the next big thing as Bitcoin was once. It started with zero and now it's digital gold. So time will tell the how Pi will grow, but it does have a great deal of potential and it has quite a promising execution till now. So that's it. I'll link down the white paper of Pi below so you can go and check out in detail. And if you didn't understand anything in this video, just comment below, and if you want something specific to be explained in the next video, I'll do that. So just subscribe to the channel if you have watched this far, and like the video, share it, and comment what you want to learn in detail of this same topic or anything else. uh, so yeah, stay productive and bye bye. Check out my another channel as well. So take care.